If you use a brown, blue, and cream eyeshadow and swipe it on your lids before quickly blending it out, then it'll result in the most stunning cobalt smoky eyes. And I'll show you how. Hi everyone, it's Smitha. Welcome back. As you can see, I have very less lid space. My goal is to make the lid space appear bigger and more elongated. And for that reason, I'm going to be swiping the eyeshadows diagonally towards my lashes, for which a piece of sticky tape will help. This one's from Real Techniques, but you can use any office tape. For eyeshadows, today we'll be using the Dominique The Moment palette, and I'm going to be just using 3 eyeshadows from this palette. For brown, I'm going to be using the shade Elevated. For blue, I'm going to be using the shade Midnight Haze. And for cream, I'm going to be using Embrace. Brown on my index finger, blue on my middle finger, and cream on my ring finger. It doesn't have to be in that order. You can do it the way you prefer. I'm going to first swipe the brown eyeshadow from my brow bone towards my lashes. It doesn't have to be perfect. We will blend it out. And then I'm going to swipe the blue right beside it. And then I'm going to press the cream eyeshadow in the inner corner, which will brighten up the entire look. To blend it out, I'm going to start with a small blending brush by Colourpop. And I'm only going to blend at the edges where the eyeshadows end. So that'll be either at the crease or where the 2 eyeshadows meet. Now you don't necessarily need a brush to blend. If you're going to blend with your finger, all you have to do is dab over those edges. Let's go ahead and remove that tape, and as you can see, that's a beautiful sharp edge in the outer corner that gives that elongated look. There's a little bit of fallout, so I'm going to go ahead and clean all that up, and then I'm going to use some concealer to make it look nice and sharp. A touch of blue in the waterline will bring everything together, so I'm going to be using the Rimmel's Candle Eyes Kajal in the shade Cobalt Craze to tightline. And then using a little bit of brown eyeshadow, I'm going to soften my lower lash line. I'm going to finish up with some mascara and lashes, but before that I prefer to curl my lashes. And for mascara, I'm going to be using the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume Mascara. And for lashes, I'm going to be using the LH Cosmetics The Lash Creator. I love this because it's wispy, and because I have smaller lid space, when I use a wispy lash, you can see through it and see my eye makeup. It's not going to block my lid space. Here's the completed eye makeup, and as you can see, those lashes aren't covering my lid space, and my eyes look so much more elongated and the lid space looks bigger. For lipstick, I wanted to try something new that I've never used before. This is the CoverGirl Outlast Lip Stain. This is almost like your marker, and I'm using the shade 35 Canyon. This is super pigmented and applies beautifully, especially in the borders. When I tried to apply it on my lips, it applied a little blotchy, but I'm definitely in love to use it at the borders. I think it's fantastic. I'm going to apply a little bit of lip oil over this just to balance out the blotchiness. This is the new Essence Hydra Kiss Lip Oil in the shade Pink Champagne. That looks beautiful and it's extremely comfortable on the lips. So if you're looking for lip oils, I would highly recommend this. And here's the finished look. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this, so comment below and let me know. And would you try this? If you do, please don't forget to tag me. My socials are listed in the description box right below this video, along with all the products that I used today. I've also linked it within the video. You can click on the view products embedded within this video on the left bottom corner, and that'll pull up every product that I used today in this tutorial. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.